Hello guys, and in this video I'll show you how to adjust screen brightness of your Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. Let's get started. So you can just swipe down from the top to open quick panel, and now swipe left once to see this icon with the sun, which is for the brightness. If you want to change it, just simply tap on this icon and drag this slider to add some brightness or to reduce, like this. And if you press and hold this icon, then you'll see the display settings. So here you can do just the same. Select brightness tab and just drag this slider like this. And also you can see here adaptive brightness. So you can enable it if you want for your watch to adjust to the lighting of the environment. And also you can do just the same through the Galaxy wearable application installed on your phone. So let's just open it. And here you need to choose watch settings first, this tab, and now just choose display as before. And here you can also regulate brightness just by dragging this slider and enable adaptive brightness like this, just by tapping on the switcher. And you can see how it displays on the watch. And that's it. Hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.